My name is Eric Mooney with SkipperBud's, and I'm going to walk you through a 2023 Barletta LUSSO 23U tri-toon. This boat has all black sides with the matte black insert down the center, and it's powered by a Mercury 300 horsepower Verado V8 with just under 60 hours on the engine. Stepping on board, it's super easy to get on and off. Nice spacious swim platform with plenty of grab handles, grab rails to move about the back of the boat and get on the boat. Ski tow bar here, fender storage on either side, a nice sized boarding ladder with 2 grab handles, and then pretty cool feature, this diving board, a few steps going up to it, and that can be removed or folded away. Walking into the boat, there's a nice lounge seating that flips forward and back, or all the way down to make it one nice long lounge. And then these seats also pop up so you can lounge facing backwards. Continuing on with this seat, there's a forward and rear facing seat back for the port side. Storage in the floor, and at the helm is a SIMRAD display, upgraded sound system, and LED lighting package. Nice comfortable seat with a flip up bolster. A cool Barletta feature is a dog bowl storage. Two comfortable lounge seats up in the front, armrests on either side, easy access to storage, life jackets, dock lines, fenders, and there's storage underneath all of these seats, as well as the aft seat. A boarding door up in the bow, and then another boarding door up on the port side. There's a changing station that pops up from underneath there. If you have any additional questions, again, my name is Eric. This boat is currently being listed through our Marina del Isle location in Marblehead, Ohio.